What's up, window cleaners? I got this 10-pack of Sörbo 6-inch 2-edged twin razor blades, and real quick I'm going to read what it says here in front of the package. Warning in big red letters and 3 exclamation points. The 6-inch 2-edged twin blades are very sharp razor blades on both edges. Take extra precaution when removing or replacing the blade. To minimize rusting, wipe blade dry after every use. So basically what this is telling me, and what Sörbo, what he has in mind, is that only a trained professional window cleaner should use these razor blades because they're very sharp and they shouldn't be taken lightly. Okay, so I just wanted to make that point. So I made a list of why I use Sörbo's scrapers in my arsenal of window cleaning tools. And don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that other scrapers on the market are bunk, but what I am saying in this video is why I use Sörbo's scrapers in my arsenal of window cleaning tools. Sörbo has 2 scrapers on the market. This one here angles, and this one here pivots side to side. Sörbo's razors blades are very sharp, so that's what I'm looking for, is a very sharp razor blade so I can quickly remove debris off the glass. I don't want to stand there working for a long time trying to take debris off the glass. Sörbo razor blades are made out of carbon steel, so they're made pretty tough. And Sörbo scrapers are of high quality. So what I mean by that is that they're made out of metal, so it's not going to wear out on you. And they also have a very strong, sturdy handle. This one here, as I say, angles. So if I'm doing like high pole extension work and I want to get some debris off a high window, depending on where I'm standing, I can angle this to the perfect pressure and take the debris off the glass. A fixed scraper can't do that. This one here pivots side to side. So for example, if I have a low object that I can't remove, I can use an extension pole and pivot Sörbo scraper to the side and scrape sideways. Just like that. Sörbo scrapers are designed so that no debris gets in between or lodged in between the razor or the razor blade holder. I've seen other scrapers where the debris gets lodged in between the razor and the razor blade holder and they stop performing. Sörbo scrapers flex with the glass, so you're going to get the entire width of the razor blade scraping the debris off the glass, so that's a big plus for me. And then what I also highly recommend when you're doing any kind of scraping is to use Sörbo's Squeegee Glide along with your soap solution. This has a friction reducer, so it's going to help you to scrape the glass easily. It comes with a nylon holster where you can put your scraper, and it has a loop here where you can snap it into place around your belt. Okay, so that's my list of why I use Sörbo scrapers in my arsenal of window cleaning tools, and I highly recommend that you also use them. It'll help you to get out of that kind of predicament. Okay, take it easy.